Hello everyone, Sunny is here from Royal Language Academy. I hope you're in tip-top shape and everything goes super good for you. Welcome back to the fourth video from Simple Past Tense series. Are you interested in learning how to make a sentence in positive, negative, question form style? If yes, stay with me and let's get started. If you remember previous sessions, we talked about how to make a sentence in positive and negative forms. And today we're going to have a quick review and then move on and learn how to make a sentence in question form. And afterwards we move on and learn how to make a sentence in a context. It is a short story and we're going to read it and learn a lot of new points. So let's take a look at this part. In order to make a sentence in past and in negative form in the past, we added didn't to the sentence. For example, I played football yesterday. So I is a subject and then we have play, played, and afterward football, which is our object. And I'm going to make it negative. So I add didn't, and then I bring infinitive verb. Infinitive verb is a verb which has no ed, no ing, nothing. It's a simple verb. So I didn't play football yesterday. And today we're going to learn how to make a question in the past simple. In order to make a question in the past simple, again we need did, right? So first we bring did and afterwards we bring subject. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Then we need a verb in infinitive form. Means no ing, no ed. Simple verb. And then we need an object, and finally we need the verb of time or place. For example, did you listen to music last night? So as I told you, first I need to bring did, so it's here. And then I need a subject, you. And after that I need the verb, infinitive verb, means verb without ed, listen. And then object, to what? To music. And finally I need the adverb of time or adverb of place. This is optional, so I can drop it easily. So last night is that verb of time that I have here. So first I brought did and then subject, afterward infinitive verb, then we need object, and finally we need adverb of time or place. Let's take a look at these examples. In the first place, we have got some affirmative or positive sentences. And in the second part, we're going to make negative sentences. And finally, question form. So let's take a look at the first part. I played football, subject, verb in the past, and object. I played football, and then I'm going to make it negative. If you remember in previous videos, I explained how to make a negative sentence in the past. We normally bring didn't. So subject, I, then didn't, and then infinitive verb, no ing, no ed. I didn't play football. And now I'm going to make a question. So I need to bring did at the beginning. So I change the place of subject with did, right? So I didn't play football. Did I play football? Yes, I did. Or no, I didn't. Next example. We started the game. So it is a positive sentence. I need subject plus verb in the past. We started. It is a regular past because it has got ed. We started what? The game. I'm going to make it negative. If you remember, for negative sentence in the past, I bring didn't, right? So we, subject, didn't start the game. And I'm going to make question. I need to change the place of subject with did, right? So, did we start the game? Yes, we did. Or no, we didn't. Next example. You did your homework. So, we need a subject because it is positive. You. Did is past of do and does, right? You did what? Your homework. It is a positive sentence. Now I'm going to make it negative. I normally bring didn't. So it's going to change to you didn't. And after that, I need infinitive verb. Do. You didn't do your homework. Now I'm going to make a question here. So I need to bring did at the beginning of the sentence. And look, I changed the place of did and you here. So here we have you did, right? Here I have did you. Did you do your homework? So this is a question that I have. So as I told you, we bring did at the beginning of the sentence, and then we have got a infinitive verb, do. Did you do your homework? Look at this sentence. Did it rain on Sunday? So look at here, this is a question. I changed the place. Did at the beginning of the sentence. Did it rain on Sunday? No, it didn't. It's in the past. Did your parents have a good holiday? It is a question form. As I told you, we changed the place of subject with the did your parents have a good holiday? Yes, they did. Or no, they didn't. Next one. We went to Berlin last month. So we went is past of go, is an irregular verb. And then I'm going to make question with WH questions words like where, when, what time, how much, how many. So this part, as you can see in this part, so we have got where. Where did you stay? With some friends. That's the answer. Next one. I was late for the meeting. So was is the past of am and is, correct? I was late for the meeting. And then I'm going to make a sentence with WH question. What time did you arrive? So if you want to make a question, so WH question should come here, right? The beginning of the sentence. And then I need to bring did. And afterward, the rest of sentence. What time did you arrive? 7:30. All right. Now, let's watch a video to understand simple past much better. And we can see that how the people make positive, negative, and question form. So let's take a look.
Welcome back. Come tell me about your vacation.
What a terrible vacation Mr. Rashid had.
Oh. You know, on my vacation last year, someone stole my car. That was a horrible vacation.
I went on a cruise, and there was an outbreak of illness. I was in my room for a week. That was a really bad vacation.
I went to Disney World and someone stole my map.
That's your worst vacation?
It took 10 minutes to get another map.
All right. What was your favorite vacation?
I spent 2 weeks in the Caribbean last year, diving, snorkeling, and swimming with dolphins. It was amazing.
I went to China a few years ago. It was incredible. The people there were so friendly, and everyone wanted to practice their English with me.
I went to the beach and ate shrimp.
That's your best vacation?
I really like shrimp.
You need to go on more exciting vacations.
I don't like exciting vacations. In fact, I don't like to travel very much.
Then why do you work in a travel agency?
It's across the street from my apartment, so I don't have to travel far to go to work.
Alright guys, over here I have got a short story for you, and we're gonna learn how to make sentence in a context. So let's take a look at this short story. It's about Mark, who's going to buy a gift for his girlfriend. So we start in this way. Mark was at the gift shop. So we have was here because Mark is singular and past of am and is was. So Mark was at the gift shop. It is simple past. He wanted to buy a present for his girlfriend. So he wanted. Want is a regular verb because it got ed. So he wanted to buy a present for his girlfriend. And then we have got a negative sentence here. He didn't know what to buy. So look, as I told you, for making negative sentence in the past, I bring didn't after subject. And then I bring an infinitive verb. So he didn't know what to buy. So he asked the lady at the shop for an idea. So he asked. Ask is a regular verb, so it got ed. She said. So said is past of say. So as you can see, the shape of the verb has changed. So it is an irregular verb in the past. She said she didn't know his girlfriend. So we have got a negative sentence here. As I told you, in order to make a negative sentence, we bring didn't after subject. So she didn't know his girlfriend and asked for some details about her. Asked, as you can see, it has got ed. So it is a regular verb in the past. Mark told her, look, Mark told. Told is past of tell. So as you can see, the shape of the verb has changed. His girlfriend's age and hobbies. Finally, Mark paid by credit card. Paid is the past of pay. So the shape of verb has changed. So it's an irregular verb in the past. So finally, Mark paid by credit card and got a receipt. Got also is past of get. So it is an irregular verb. Took a wrapped box. Took is past of take. So again, an irregular verb. And left the shop. Left is past of leave. So it is an irregular verb. And finally, question. Did he buy an expensive gift? So as you can see here, I brought did at the beginning, and then we have got the subject. So let's read it fully. Mark was at the gift shop. He wanted to buy a present for his girlfriend. He didn't know what to buy, so he asked the lady at the shop for an idea. She said she didn't know his girlfriend and asked for some details about her. Mark told her his girlfriend's age and hobbies. Finally, Mark paid by credit card and got a receipt, took a wrapped box and left the shop. Did he buy an expensive gift? You tell me.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the way.
Alright guys, congratulations. You learned all the tiny points you need for making sentence like positive, negative and question form sentence in the past. and you put a lot of time and effort on this. So you guys, if you're new on my channel, please go back and watch the previous videos. Consider subscribing over there, leaving comment if you enjoy it, like it. Alright? So I shall see you soon for another video in very close future. Take a lot of care and catch you up. Ciao.
When your nightmares turn to real life and the ground's filled up with landmines, we will face it, standing silent.